Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in ClickUp. Dependencies are incredibly useful for managing complex projects where certain tasks need to be completed before others can begin, helping you maintain a clear workflow and avoid bottlenecks. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main ClickUp dashboard where all your workspaces and projects are organized. On your panel, locate and click on Spaces. This section houses all your different workspaces and project areas. From here, click on the specific space you want to edit. Choosing the right space is important because dependencies are set within the context of your project structure, so make sure you're working in the space where your related tasks live. Next, click on List to view all the tasks within that space. Lists help you organize tasks into categories or stages, making it easier to see what needs to be done and in what order. Take a moment to review your tasks and identify which ones are interconnected. Now select a specific task that you want to set dependencies for, right-click on that task, and from the menu that appears, click on Dependencies. This opens up the dependency settings where you can define how this task relates to others in your workflow. You'll now see three main options: waiting on, blocking, and linked. Understanding these options is crucial for setting up your workflow correctly. Let me explain what each one means. The waiting on option indicates that the task you've selected cannot be started or completed until another task is finished. This is perfect for situations where you need something delivered or approved before you can move forward with your work. The blocking option means that the task you're working with prevents another task from starting or finishing. Use this when you have a foundational task that must be completed before subsequent work can begin, like getting client approval before starting design work. The linked option simply shows that tasks are related but not dependent on each other. This is useful for tasks that share a common theme or project but can be worked on simultaneously without affecting each other's progress. So let's try adding a dependency. Click on Waiting On and select the task that must be completed before this one can start. This creates a clear chain of action in your project timeline. Next, let's add a blocking dependency. Click on Blocking and choose the task that this one prevents from starting. This helps team members understand the sequence and prevents them from jumping ahead prematurely. Finally, click on Linked and select any related tasks that should be connected for reference purposes. This keeps everything organized even when strict dependencies aren't necessary. And that's it. You've successfully set up dependencies in ClickUp, giving you better control over your project workflow and task sequencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.